Story Splash.
Olivia's Animal Shelter Adventure. Meet Olivia, an orange cat who loves helping others. Today, she visited an animal shelter and discovered a new mission. Olivia made friends with the puppies, kittens, and other animals at the shelter, wanting to help them find a loving home. Olivia worked hard, cleaning, feeding, and providing care for the animals, giving them love and attention. Olivia organized a fundraising event, inviting her friends and family to help raise money for the shelter. Olivia created beautiful paintings of the animals, selling them to raise funds and promote adoptions. The event was a success, and many animals found a loving home. Olivia was overjoyed to see her friends start their new lives. Olivia noticed a shy kitten who was having trouble adjusting to the shelter. She decided to spend extra time helping the kitten feel comfortable. Olivia spent days playing with the kitten, teaching her new tricks and making her feel loved and cared for. The kitten was adopted, and Olivia was overjoyed to see her new friend go to a loving home. Thanks to Olivia's hard work and the community's support, the shelter improved, providing better care for the animals. Olivia discovered the power of compassion, and she continued to help the animals at the shelter, making a positive impact on their lives. Olivia's kindness inspired others, creating a ripple effect, leading to more adoptions and happier lives for the animals. Olivia returned home, knowing that she made a difference, and she couldn't wait to visit her friends at the shelter again. Adventure awaited Olivia wherever she went, and she looked forward to new opportunities to help animals in need. And so, Olivia went to sleep, dreaming of the animals she helped and the positive impact she made on their lives.